Okay, here at PT Precision Automotive, again, just reusing this picoscope, just getting used to using this. So this is for testing your coils and plugs. This thing's been to a couple other mechanics. I don't know what the other mechanics are thinking, but they said it was down in compression, had 50 psi in 2 of the cylinders, and that's why I was having an intermittent misfiring problem. It's clearly not going to be that if it's down in compression, but the other mechanics couldn't work it out. Anyway, I drove it last night. It's an electrical miss, you can feel it in the car. But we thought we'd just put the pico on it just to test the coils and the plugs. We're going to rip the manifold off and put new coils and plugs in it. We thought we'd just test it just to get used to the scope, the pico and that, and thought we'd just put this up. So let's also Paton. So on the back, number 6, you've got a reasonable pattern there. Reasonable burn time. The coil oscillations aren't too bad. It's a pretty good reading, reasonable reading. On this, the next one forward, so the oscillations for the coil on down here, no oscillations. So I'll go back to the back one. You see the oscillations here, much better. Burn time roughly the same. This other one, no good. The front one's a bit hard to get onto, but just get on. You see the oscillations are okay on that. Front line here, that's not so bad. The other one, well, that one's dropping out a bit, that one as well. And then the third one on the back there, it's not so bad. So anyway, it's a quick test. Once you've got it up and you're sort of getting used to this, so quick zoom around. There you go, it's on there. We'll test it. We'll put the new stuff in and show you what that looks like. Yeah? Oh. Right, so we've got all the coils out and the plugs out. I don't understand some other mechanics what they do, but when the plugs are stuffed, they're rooted, right? So the guy's using a cheaper fuel in this car, like an E10 or something. It's got a coating over the plugs. They're worn out anyway, so that won't help the resistance build up into the coils. But I'm saying that one of the coils that we saw that was faulty, it's been taped up. Fucking ridiculous. Like, there's a high output on these coils. I think a bit of electrical tape's going to fix it. It might do a temporary fix, but it won't fix it. So that's arcing out into the cylinder head chamber. So is the other second one that we had problem arcing out through the side. So these coils have been done before, obviously quite some time ago, I would think, because of the look of them. They're an aftermarket coil, genuine aftermarket AC Delco. So plugs are stuffed. They should have been done a while ago. So we've got another set of genuine coils and genuine plugs and manifold gas replaced as well. They're not a lot more expensive than what the aftermarket type are. It's only a few bucks difference in it. So anyway, this will fix the problem. I don't know why the mechanic was saying that it had low compression in a couple of the cylinders when he's done something like that. It's beside me, but anyway, this will fix the problem obviously. But anyway, what it is about showing the waveform pattern on the picoscope. So anyway, we'll put this back in and we'll show you how the pattern goes. Right, well this car's fixed. There's a good pattern there on the pico, how the coil and plug are operating. So a nice pattern. All of them are going. How was that? Third one that I had problems there. 6 beautiful. Anyway, so that's just to show you on the picoscope. Actually, you can check just quickly. You can get a square waveform pattern off your cam angle sensor there as well. So they're off. Take that off and put it on. Get a square waveform pattern out of that. And there's the other one on the other side. Take it on it. And on that sensor. There it is there. Looks pretty good too. That's just for that. Yeah. Got fixed, simple. Good.